Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to unpublish Wix website on mobile. It's very easy to do. For this, you have to first open Wix app from your mobile. Then uh, you will see the list of your site. For unpublish your site, tap on three dots from the next to it. Now you here you will see an option related to publishing or visibility. If you already published this, the exact wording may vary, but it should be something like publishing options or visibility. So within the publishing option, you should see an option to unpublish your site. Tap on it and initiate the unpublishing process. The app may prompt you to confirm that you want to unpublish your site. Confirm your decision to proceed, and that's it. That's how you can unpublish Wix website on mobile.